Okay, what's up everyone? And I just did something to the bolt that it's gonna sound amazing. So I've had this exhaust for what, like 6-7 months, almost a year, and I never knew where the baffles were installed and everything. Well, I never thought it had baffles in the first place. And then I was just looking online and I found out it actually had baffles. They just slide in, and there's an Allen key hidden in the back right here. It's very simple, and then you take a microfiber towel or a glove of some sort and stick it in there and then pull out and it slides right out. And this thing's loud. Oh my god. Thing's loud. It's way louder than the R3. Oh yeah. And then here's the aftermath of the grum and everything. Lots of mud and everything, but I'm loving this bike. It's so much fun. So today I am taking this out and see if I can get this inspected without a license plate light and having it this loud. But since I'm in the great state of Texas, we don't have limits on decibel levels for motorcycles, so no matter how loud this thing is, it's not gonna matter to the inspection people. Now the license plate light, I'm curious. I mean, it is during the daytime, so it's probably gonna pass. They probably won't care. Technically, you're supposed to have a license plate light, but I rarely ride this thing at night, so I've found no point in installing one. Worst case, if they say, hey, you need a license plate light to pass inspection, there's some off of Amazon for like $10. They just bolt up right here and then just connect it real fast, and yeah. So worst case, I'll do that. But that's what's gonna be happening today. I'll be riding this on the road a little bit. Oh no, don't roll away. Okay, R3 stopped it. Good job, R3. All right, let's get this on the road. Goodness, what have I done? Whoa. Yes. Be more careful on this thing. I'm used to the grum right now of how fast it usually is. I know this isn't some super sport, but compared to the grum, it is. Probably scared the crap out of that guy. Alright, time to jump the bolt. Sort of. Alright, so I'll update y'all after I get done with the inspection and see if it passes or not. Wow, just look at this place. This place is freaking wealthy. These freaking mansions and stuff. I don't live here, by the way. I can't afford this. And I can bring the DSLR out here, take some good photos. My phone does some pretty good shots, but DSLR, it just can't compare. Well, update on the inspection. I passed. Yeah, even without a license plate and stuff, or license plate light, I mean. So yeah, that's the best part about Texas. Decibel levels don't matter, because Texas. I think it's this way. I think it's a one-way thing. I don't know. I've come here so many times that I don't know. Or this was probably the wrong way. This is probably a walking path. Who knows? That's cool. I would love to get my bike on there, right there. Yeah, this is a sidewalk. I just hopped the curb on the Bolt. What now? Oh my God! That's how you get a good pop. That was a little loud. Got the group ride this Saturday, the 23rd, up at Maxim, meeting up there around 11 a.m. And then we'll leave there around 12. So even if you don't have a bike, come up, say hi. Be awesome, meet you. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and the Bolt's all legal now. Catch you on the next one. Later.